Alright, so we've got two fair die that we're rolling. We want to figure out the probability of getting a number greater than 3. So it has to be greater than 3. Either 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 12. So we got this 2x2 matrix here. The reason why is because these are all the potential dice outcome you can have. So it has to be greater than 3. So it can be this, well, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. And then if you notice, everything right and down from those is greater than 3. So it's all of these. And that means there's only 3, which are these up here, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 1, that don't fit the criteria of greater than 3. So that means we have 33 out of 36 chances, and this reduces down to greatest common factor is 11. So if you remove 11, actually it's not 11. Sorry, greatest common factor is going to be 3. So our chances are 11 out of 12 times we'll get a number. The sum will be greater than 3. And that's it. All right. I hope that helped you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.